Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to learn about concatenation and repetition of tuples. Here I'm having tuple 1 and tuple 2. Tuple 1 includes 1, 2, 3, and tuple 2 includes 4, 5, and 6. Here, to do the concatenation, we are having the new tuple called x, and I'm having tuple 1 plus tuple 2. This way, I'm concatenating these two tuples together and I'm setting their value to tuple x, okay? And then I'm having the repetition here for tuple y. So the name of my tuple is y, and I'm using tuple 1 times 3. So tuple 1 is going to be repeated 3 times, and then it is going to be assigned to tuple y. Finally, I'm printing x as a concatenated tuple and as the repeated tuple for y. So when I run this code, I see the x tuple is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has the elements of the first tuple and then the elements of the second tuple. So they are merged in one and single tuple called x. And then I'm having tuple y, which is called a repeated tuple in the message in the output here. And we see it has 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So basically it was having tuple 1 times 3, which is this tuple. So 1, 2, 3, the first repetition, 1, 2, 3, second repetition, and 1, 2, 3, the third repetition. So this is how we can do the merging and repetition for tuples. Thank you for watching.